Hey guys, it's John. Just a quick tip. In my video, I just explained that I always close my razor in between passes. And the reason is that I'm going to clean it well after every shave. So I'm going to do a quick demo on how I do that. First thing I do is I take the blade only and I put my fingertips right on the edge so I don't go into the water. And I just dip my blade into the water. Okay? Just to wipe off the blade and make sure there's no soap on it. Then what I'll do is I'll take a piece of tissue or toilet paper and I will wipe the blade off between my fingers, watching the blade carefully, and I'll wipe that off, making sure I go all the way down the tang and down the spine, the heel to the toe, and when I'll turn the blade this way. I'll make sure I get here, and I got that. Then what I'll do is I will turn my blade upside down, just like I would be shaving, like this, but I turn it like this. I take another piece of tissue, I fold it into thirds, just like this, and I'll slide it between the scales, in between, like this, so it comes out the other end. I will fold it over one side, and then I will go up and down, and I keep the blade pointing up so that if I did touch the spine, I'm not going to cut myself. And I clean the inside and the outside of the scales, one side, and then I turn the paper around and I clean the opposite side. I want to make sure there's no water inside the scales that could discolor or rust my razor. And then, seeing how this razor has a point in the center that will block me from getting there, I'll fold this one more time and I'll carefully go in between the top, and I'll do the same exact thing in the top, and I go right up to the pivot pin on both sides so that I get nice and dry. And then I will fold my blade back down, and then I just wipe off the scales on the outside, and it's ready to be stored until I shave again the next time. If I'm going to use this razor and store it for a week or 2 weeks, I will put some oil on the blade just to make sure that no air gets to it. And I use Maggart's razor oil. That's what I put on there. So you guys, I hope that helped, and have a great shave.